Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So that may give you more clarity and maybe clear your confusion, whatever you have, guys, Leos. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have child, heart, and bouquet. So in your situation, guys, Leos, maybe for some of you, you are in a circumstance moving towards some kind of a new beginning, some you see yourself approaching your situation in a very different way today, maybe handling your career situation differently, being cheerful, open minded, inspired to do things in a different way. And for some of you, it may be a new work opportunity, something which you do not know, something which you are quite inexperienced, you are just a beginner. So it may be a new venture you have taken up. It may be in your career situation, guys, or it may be in your relationship. You are with someone, maybe for some of you there may be a huge age difference here between you and this other person, and this relationship is still young. You do not know deeply about each other, so you are gaining knowledge about each other, and you are just loving to be in this connection, feeling free, feeling really cheerful and spontaneous. You are not thinking deeply, you are just loving this person, loving their company, being with them, and having that freshness in this relationship. So you see things in a different way from the past, so you want to handle yourself differently today, guys. And maybe in your career, or again in this relationship, in this love, you both share a deep compassion, love, and that sense of togetherness. And also you are doing something which you love to do in your career. So it may be a creative form of work you have taken up now, and it is simply satisfying your creative side. You just love to do that. You are really passionate about what you do today, guys, Leos, and you feel a greater harmony and balance in your heart because of the way things are. You are simply happy for how things are going, and you feel deep gratitude and thankfulness towards yourself, towards your situation, or towards this person you love. So they are the reason for this happiness, and you feel really content and satisfied to be with them, to be in this relationship. And I also see that you share a great intimacy with this person, and you both have a clear understanding. So this, though you are in a new connection, guys, it looks like a new love, but it is true love. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. And this may be your twin flame or a soulmate. That may be the reason we see the card speaking of a deep connection you both share, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.